I clearly did not know what I was talking about at the end of the last video. I told you that this section goes with the next lesson, but it doesn't. We are still on lesson 1 all the way through problem 22. So, I'm sorry about that. I made a mistake, which is not unusual. Let's take a look at number 7. This is the exercise book on page 74. A set of ordered pairs is shown below. What is the slope of the line that contains these points? So pick any 2 points that you want to use. I'm choosing these because they don't involve decimals and I don't have a calculator readily available. So here is point 1, which means the x is 1 and the y is 1. And then here's point 2, where x sub 2, y sub 2 are the values. And then let's set up the slope formula. M equals y sub 2 minus y sub 1 over x sub 2 minus x sub 1. So we have 2 minus 0 and 13 minus 0. So slope is 2 over 13, and that does not simplify. So I like answer D on that one. Again, you could pick any 2 points. It will not matter. Okay, number 8. Which set of points from line Q has the same slope as the set of points from line R? Oh no. All right, we got to do a lot of slope here. A, line Q has the points and line R has the points. So I'm going to shortcut just a hair. I'm going to say the slope of line Q equals y sub 2 is negative 3 minus y sub 1 is negative 1 over x sub 2. Excuse me. This is what I get for shortcutting. I need to label my points. x1, y1, x2, y2. So it's negative 3 minus 9. This is why Amanda does not do shortcuts. I know myself too well. Negative 12 over negative 1, so the slope there is positive 12. Then the slope of R is negative 4 minus 5 over negative 3 minus 2. That's negative 9 over negative 5, and those are not the same. So it's not A. Whoever wrote this problem should be hit with rotten tomatoes. This is just a lot of work. If I got this on a test, I would skip it. All right, here is line B. Again, I'm going to at least mark my points. Let me mark both of them so we can. So here are the 1s, and here are the 2s, and here is the work. Slope of Q is negative 8 minus 2 and negative 7 minus 1. That's negative 10 over negative 8. The slope of R is negative 1 minus 7 and negative 2 minus 8. So that's negative 8 over negative 10. That is not the same thing. Okay. 2, 7, 5, 3, 6, 5, 3, 15. These are the 1s, and these are the 2s. So the slope of Q is -3 minus 7, 5 minus 2, so that's -10 thirds. And then the slope of R is 15 minus 5 and 3 minus 6. That's 10 over -3. There we go. Those match. They both have a negative sign and they both have a 10 over 3. I'm going to finish it, but you can certainly skip over it if you would like to. I don't take shortcuts because that ends up getting me in trouble. And in this particular book, sometimes you have more than one correct answer. Okay, so this is the X1 set. For me personally, it's not enough just to know that that's the first point. I still will mess up. Okay, so the slope of Q is -8 minus 9 over -5 minus 12. So that's -17 over -17, or +1. Then the slope of R is -4 minus 2, -5 minus 6, and that's -6 over -11. So those are not the same. And finally, we have 5, 8, -5, -8, and then the same only with 3 and 7. So X1, Y1, X2, Y2. So here we go. M, slope of Q, is -8 minus 8. That's -16. And -5 minus 5 is -10. Then the slope of R is -7 minus 7 and -3 minus 3. That's -14 and -6. So those do not match. The one that is the same is right there. What a problem.